Assalamu alaikum. Dear viewers, in this video you will learn the trick in Excel that how to sum data means the numbers available in the Excel sheets in the MS or Microsoft Excel. So this is the basic and very most commonly used that how to sum the data or numbers in Microsoft Excel. So let's suppose these are the numbers. This is 2 56, 78, 90, and 344 and 250 and 231 and 899. So let's suppose this is the data and we want to sum it, that how is much is the sum of these numbers. So and we want to write the answer should be in this cell or in this cell. So let's suppose we want to the answer in this cell, so you will select this cell and then we'll write the equal sign and then uh, click the parenthesis small bracket open and then write the sum. First write the sum equal sign, then sum, and then open small bracket, and then we select the data from here to here and then close the bracket and then click on enter. Now you can see this is the answer of the summation of all these numbers, which is 1950. So what you have to do, simply write the equal sign, then write the sum and then open small bracket and then select the data and then click the enter or close the bracket. When you click on the enter, you can see the answer, and this is the summation of all these numbers. So this is how you can sum any data available in the Excel sheets. So this is what the power of Microsoft Excel. So now if you have any question, you can ask in the comment section, and thank you for watching this video.